You're gonna be part of our squad now, Lost Kitties, huh? You get the rainbow.
Rainbow. I hope we get rainbow. Okay.
Oh my. Look at all of this fun stuff.
I hope it won't be a double.
So which one do you want to open first?
The white.
The white one? That one's fun for you.
One for you.
Here we go.
Oh, that one.
I love playing with it. I know our other one's over there. You get messy. You just clean up afterwards.
Ooh, he looks not pleased to eat
He
us.
looks not pleased. Ooh, and look. Oh, look, there's his sticker. Help set him down and...
It's Chicky.
Chicky. Rocking over the paper. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. What does your name was feeling sticky? Oh, kitty cat, what's your name?
Let's identify him. Oh, it's Niles. Let's see how he is. You want me to play with this ball of yarn? Okay. We love the pink house.
My favorite color is your favorite color.
What's your favorite color?
The John that's your friend, Chicky and Miles.
Yes, we do.
Okay, but just wait.
We will be right here.
We got pickle balls.
Pickle balls, no way.
We got pickle balls. We got pickle balls. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Here.
Pickle balls. His name Pickle Paws. That's his name, Pickle. Pickle likes to look a little skateboard.
Oh my goodness. It's just his remote attached to him. But now, there you go. Welcome to the family.
A cookie. He has a cookie. Oh,
A cookie.
a cookie mode.
A cookie mode.
And,
Whoa, look, wow.
and what else? No.
And milk. Because I know that mice like milk, but who else likes cats? All the kitties love milk.
Okay, and so we did
And
it.
your cookies. We should be the brown ones, but... And see what our accessories are in this one. These are working out. His muscles are so big. Get your life together, Mom.
I don't stand up. Okay, enough meowing.
Everybody pipe down.
Calm down.
Oh, here you go. Here, I have to cut it open. Here, look. What is it?
It's a pie.
Ooh, pie. Yeah. It's a squirt gun. Spray, spray.
Yes, waiting! Bye. And I got that I don't get a double.
I'm glad you didn't get a double either. We're so lucky, huh? Wow, the VIP pets were so happy to watch it too, huh?
Yes, but I don't know what this